Hi, in this video we learn about how class loader work in JDK or Java Development Kit with the help of a Java virtual machine. Before going ahead, I'll recommend just to go through that my earlier tutorial about Java virtual machine, Java runtime environment and Java Development Kit. This link you will find that from video tab, or come all the way and just type that JRE and click on search. You will find that video link. There is a Java development class loader bootstrap. No, it will come in second link, and or you can come under in Java tab and you will find that in Java label, or just go to that videos, and in videos you will find that there is several video is there. One of the video is the Java virtual machine, and this is first thing. And second thing, you have to install that JDK in your system. I have already installed Java in my computer. In C directory I have installed the JDK 1.7, and I have a Java home. So before going ahead, I have set that all class path and all. You'll see that in my earlier tutorial, and with help of that I'm able to runtime and compiler both is there. Okay, so now our main motive or target is understand Java installation, Java class loader. So we'll see one by one what is the class loader, how many there. So three class loaders are there, and once the JVM Java virtual machine will be boot or start up, that all three class loader will load their respective libraries or jar file. So we have a first class loader is bootstrap class loader, second we have extension class loader, and third one we have a system class loader. So we'll see in more detail one by one. So bootstrap class loader are those library or mechanism with the help of that whatever library is there under Java home JRE lib directory, this will be loaded in for Java virtual machine, and it's a part of a core JVM and is written in a native code. So what do you mean by written in native code? Native code are those code who has or developed in other than Java or program in other than Java. For example, if any program written in a C, C++, Python, and we are using in a Java, you use the terminology native code or written in native code, and it's used in Java with help of a launcher or any other applications or supporting file. So we'll see where we have a bootstrap library in Java home JRE lib directory. So this is nothing but till that my Java home, and after that we have a JRE and there is a lib. So these are the all whatever library is there, these are a part of a bootstrap class loader, and it will be loaded accordingly for JVM. And second we have a extension class loader. In extension class loader are those library which is loaded by that launcher or Java applications under the directory Java home JRE lib and extension, So whatever library is there inside GRE lib and extensions, that will be loaded with help of a extensions class loader, and that will be loaded by that some launcher applications with the class name is ext class loader. And if apart from this extensions library, I'll show you. If you go Java home GRE lib, there is a extensions folder will be there in top. So there is a few, these are the executable jar files we have under that ext, and that is a part of a class loader extension. If other than this library, if you want, then we have to change that a Java extension directory under system property, and we have to set that property for that location. So then it will be loaded with help of a extension class loader. And now third one, like a system class loader. So system class loader are loading the whatever library it's there in Java class path or your environment class path, either in Unix or Windows system, and that will be available for JVM, and it will be used at runtime, and that will be implemented by launcher app class loader. So we have a 3 class loader in recap. I'm just recapping it. We have a 3 class loader: bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and system class loader. With help of these, whatever library will be there for system or custom, and either native or it's written in Java, and it will be loaded with help of like a system process, and that will utilize in Java virtual machines as a specifications with help of a Java runtime compiler, and that all together JVM and JRE with some system development tool, it will work as a JDK. So as a developer or programmer or XYZ, we can write that Java code, compile and execute it. This is all about class loader. You can watch this video under the video sections about Java virtual machine, JVM, class loader, bootstrap, extensions and system, and or in a label if you come under that, like in it will be there in Java. I'll suggest, if you have any questions, doubt, please comment or post it. I'll more than happy to answer it, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.